Hi, I'm Stan DeFreitas, Mr. Green Thumb. Growing cherry tomato plants. Well, it's easy and fun. You can either start cherry tomato plants from seeds in a little package, and normally I would take those little seeds and put them in some little paper towel, keep them moist, or into a good potting soil, something that has some peat and perlite, and make sure that you keep them moist until they germinate, and then of course from that little early stage till they get to the small stage like this. Now, you can also buy a little 4-pack or 6-pack at the average nursery. And if you only want a few plants, buying it in a 6-pack from your local nursery is probably the easiest way to grow. If you want to start from seed, that's good too. Remember to start with a good sterile soil. It means good peat, good perlite, good vermiculite, usually in a combination, almost equal. Remember that little cherry tomatoes are sun lovers. And by that, the whole family is called Solanaceae. All of the tomatoes and peppers and eggplants, they need full sun. That means about 6 hours of bright sun a day. They're not cold hardy. And that means, of course, that you need to be able to protect them. If your area is going to be below freezing, you need to have them in a container where you can bring them in on a freezing night. Tomatoes like it hot, they like it full sun, and they like a good deal of moisture. Don't let them dry out, because if you do, they'll die out. For AskMrGreenThumb.com, I'm Stan DeFreitas.